After being on the road for 3 days, we had a plan. 5 days stop at Indiana Dunes National Park for us to explore. Hit the intro!
The best is yet to come. Are you ready or not? Ready or not? Are you ready or not? The best is yet to come. Are you ready or not? Ready or not? Are you ready or not? The best is yet to come.
This stop also gave Dad a chance to install new brakes on the motorhome, which was an unexpected repair. After a short bicycle ride to the shore of Lake Michigan, we were impressed with the aqua blue colors of the water.
We are on our first little hike, and the trail is called Dune Ridge here at Indiana Dunes National Park.
A blast hiking the trails, which included the 3 Dune Challenge. The dunes were very hard to climb.
This is an adventurous 1.5-mile trail in Indiana Dunes State Park. Starting at the Nature Center, the winding path will take you through breathtaking views and exhilarating inclines. At times, you'll be above the forest canopy and able to see for miles. The hiking challenge is named for the trio of dunes called the Tremonts, which highlight the trail. Mount Tom, Mount Holden, Mount Jackson are each nearly 200 feet above lake level.
What do you guys think? That was the first hill. Are we going to be able to do 1.7 miles?
I don't think so.
Are you gonna make it?
Yeah.
What about you, Mom? You gonna make it?
I might leave all my blood on the mountain.
This hill has got to be, I don't know, a 20% incline.
Maybe. I don't know.
It's
the sign said 40 on one of them.
Oh, 40, and it's got to be 200 feet long.
Right?
Oh, look at my shoes, Dad. Look at this one. It's just sand.
Full of sand, huh?
Yeah. Let's go back. Mountain Jackson.
Looks like we made our first peak, Mount Jackson, 176 feet.
Maximum slope angle 31.
Come on, Grant, you can do it.
No, I'm not.
This is definitely steep.
I'm not gonna make it.
You're not gonna make it?
Oh my. Send the helicopter.
Here, sir. I'll give you a piggyback.
Yeah, okay.
We reached Mount Helen,
Holden.
named after
Holden.
We reached Mount Holden, named after Carlos Holden, the
Prairie Club's.
Prairie Club's.
Prairie Club's first president. We are 184 feet above Lake Michigan. We climbed on a 38-degree slope, and we're on 53 million cubic feet of sand.
Wow. And what is right up over here? What does that say?
It says Mountain Holden elevation 1,184 feet.
Cool. So that must be the summit, right, Grant?
Yeah. Mount Baldy was a good hike also to the beach. Mount Baldy is shifting inland by the wind and reclaiming the forest. We also visited a Swedish homestead known as the Bailey Homestead. It was used as a trading post with the Native Americans. Indiana Dunes was awesome.